Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a different type of plan with me. It's kind of memory planning, but it's really me back planning what happened this past weekend in my classic happy planner. For those that are not familiar with the kind of planner that I'm using, I am using the vertical hourly happy planner. But this is a Franken planner system. I have videos linked in the description box for more information on all of this and my setup and everything. Also how I set it for the month of October and September. I'll have that for you guys to check out. This was for the week of October 7th to the 13th. I also shared earlier this week on the channel my plan with me for my birthday week, which is the week of 10/14. So as I am back planning, I thought this would be great to share with you guys my process. So some of the stickers I plan on using, I pulled out this Boss Babe one. I also have this functional sticker book that I made. I'll link my sticker storage so you guys can see more information on that. And I'm also going to pull in the wellness sticker book. So for the wellness one, I'm definitely going to pull in the Sleep In. And I'm going to put that here for Sunday. I kind of just am all over the place with this, to be honest. So I'm going to put Sleep In. And with my nails now, I should have like tweezers or something, but I make it work. And then also what I did was some reading, and then I went to brunch with my friends. So I'm just going to do Sleep In and read, and then right here I might put in a little sticker for my morning routine. So right about here, which was, yeah, that was around 11 when I started doing that. But as I said, it's a little bit harder with these stickers, like losing my mind. There we go. Okay. Well, I thought wrong. Okay. Definitely gonna have to get some tweezers. But there we have it. And I'm just going to write in morning routine. And I'm going to take a little heart sticker and place that right there. Another way that I use these kinds of stickers that have this little box that you can either check off or you can put a time there, like to highlight it. But for this one, I'm just going to put a heart. And then what did I do the rest of the day? Yeah, like I said, brunch. So I'm going to actually look in, I think I might have a brunch sticker inside of here. I don't know. Part of me thinks that I do, but I'm not sure. I might have to go through and like reorganize these stickers, but I think I'm just gonna take this one here, this hashtag one, that back. And I'm gonna take this and just write it in myself. Alright, so write that in. And I'm just going to put hashtag friends. I actually might cut this a little bit. Perfect. If you guys watch my recent plan with me, like, I was literally cleaning just about everything. I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys, but I was like cleaning everything, and one of my goals as I'm, you know, planning is to clean up after myself. All right, so that was just Sunday. Now for Saturday, I had some appointment stickers and I feel like they were in here. Here they are. All right, so I'm gonna take these two pink ones, and then I know in the Supermom book there's a nail sticker. So I'm just gonna take that. So that is that, and I'm gonna put that here. So my first appointment was at 11:30, but I'm gonna put it in this 11:30 12 space right here, and I'm just gonna put nails. And then pop this little cutie, this little cute sticker. I feel like I had other nail stickers, but this will do. And then, oh, actually it wasn't that long. So I'm gonna put it here. And then my other appointment, I'm gonna put it right underneath, because the other one I had was my eyebrows. And then I also have a lunch date sticker, which I believe is in this Boss Babe one. And yep, here it is. And I literally just saw it. Here we go. So timing of this doesn't really matter. I'm trying to see if there's another one here that I can do. Might just do this and just move it down. This is where timing doesn't really matter to me much anymore, because not everything is going to perfectly line up. But I had lunch with my sisters and we went to Red Lobster. And then I have this super cute sticker that I remember getting in the little swag bag from the Planning a Better Me retreat. I'll have that link for you guys to check out. And where is it? Here it is. The shopping is always a good idea. Oh man, I wish it fit. I'm gonna make it fit. So I'm just going to not put that we went to Red Lobster, And I'm going to cover this up like so. And boom, done. And just like that, I did my back planning. So that's like my little me time on a Sunday to go back and put in everything. My Steelers Charger one was already here, and on Sunday I have here to update my expenses, and I did. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is my weekly reflection, which I'll do once I'm done with this. So that is all. This sticky note here I featured in my Clean With Me. I'll link that for you guys to check out. And this was just a to-do list of what I wanted to get done, because with this kind of spread, it's not really feasible to, it's not enough space really to write in a cleaning list. And although I have like my running to-do list that I'm carrying from week to week, this is just, you know, better for daily. So that's also something I'm taking into consideration as I'm mapping out the next week in my planner. Well, not next week, the next year, 2020, of what it is that I'm looking for in a planner. And I'm making note of all these things of what works, what doesn't work. Is there such thing as a perfect planner? I know that for a fact hourly is what I need, but I've narrowed down my hourly options. So I'll be discussing that within the next couple of months, few months, as we get closer to 2020, because I need to buy it. But yeah, so stay tuned for that. But that wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. I'll have links to related videos, products featured, and of course my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.